Hello, my name is Tony Quebeman. I'm the Global Product Manager at Woodhead for wiring devices. Today I'd like to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to put together a wiring device. Starting with a cord, cut it a slight diagonal. Slide the compression nut and patented cable glove seal over the cable. A couple of drops of soap on the cable makes sliding easier. Should the cable glove seal become separated from the compression nut, completely invert the cable glove seal, snug up the compression nut, and then push the cable glove seal on all sides to fall into the groove. A small tug repositions the cable glove seal and it is completely sealed. Add the anti-friction ring. Select the proper grommet based on the included instructions and slide on with the thick end first. Slide on the husk. Don't attach it to the compression nut just yet. Strip the outer insulation jacket with a cable jacket stripper. Recommended length is 1 1/4 inches. Be careful not to cut or nick the insulation on the inner conductors. Bend or break the outer insulation and remove. This will expose the 3 conductors, green for ground, black for hot, and white for neutral. Trim off the filler pieces. Strip the conductor wires. For 12-gauge wire, strip off 3/8 of an inch of the insulation. Use caution not to cut the inner conductors. Then twist the strands together and repeat for other wires. Molex products are shipped with the saddle clamp open and ready to insert the wire. Align the green screw with the green wire and insert the stripped wire. View through the clear cover and only insert the wire to make good metal-to-metal contact. Do not clamp the insulation. Repeat for other wires. Torque each screw from 12 to 14 inch-pounds. Insert the center portion into the husk by aligning the keyway. Tighten the 3 captive stainless steel screws from 8 to 10 inch-pounds. Slide the compression nut assembly up so the grommet enters the outer husk. Tighten the compression nut. Hand tight works well. The last step is to add the closure cap. Slide on the retaining ring and close the closure cap. Thanks for watching and enjoy many years of good service from Woodhead Watertite Wiring Devices.